There's a good number of people who have joined us today as well. So glad you all are here. We'll be expecting more people to join us as we progress, I guess, but I think we should start. It's 8:05 by my watch, and we are a good close to 30 members now. So fantastic. So very, very good evening to everybody. Like always, I just set the ball rolling with the introductions and some key rules to the meeting today. My name is Fauzia Sheikh. I'm co-director and founder at FX Business Solutions Private Limited, and we are a management consulting company. Here are some rules that we want to set. Like always, we have ensured that all members, other than the speakers, are force mute so that we have minimal background or disturbance happening. Also request you all to take the speaker view, which the option is always at the right top corner, and you can take that as a toggle from gallery view so that you can look at the speakers when they speak. Do keep your video chat open. That's how Hardik always likes it and will request you as soon as he gets on. So it'll be nice for him and the speakers to view all of us on the window. Do put up your questions on the chat as and when they pop up as when the interview is on, and the speakers will try their best to take as many questions as possible at the end of the interview. And as always, this interview will be recorded, so for those who are missing out, or if you want to catch up again on the interview, and please feel free to share as well. So it'll be up all there on our Facebook platforms, on YouTube, as well as on our WhatsApp group. Starting with the introductions, moving on to Hardik quickly. Again, a lot of you all already know him, but for those of you all don't know Hardik Harsora, he's the co-director and founder at FX Solutions Private Limited. We started FX together in 2009 with the aim to add value to small and medium-sized enterprises. Hardik comes from the background of having expertise and certifications on methods like Six Sigma, Lean, Kaizen, COPC, TQM, and ISO, to name a few. These are process excellence methods. And he has also designed and developed Propel as we moved in the journey of FX over the years. He's designed and worked a lot on the method of Propel to make it a only structured method for the small and medium-sized enterprises for us to be able to add value. And Propel is one method that focuses on growth planning, performance management, and setting up systems and processes across all the functions in the business. Hardik has also trained more than 10,000 entrepreneurs as of today, and tried to add best value in the journey of their business and growth, and help them to keep propelling. So that's Hardik Harsora for you, ladies and gentlemen. Now today, I'll take the pleasure to introduce our speaker, our guest for the day, Niyana. Niyana is the co-founder of We Hear You. It is India's only support group for families who have lost loved ones to suicide. She has a master's in psychology and the neuroscience of mental health from King's College, London. She is a trained mental health and suicide interventionist. She has spent the past 2 years researching suicide. She served as a director at Control Print Limited and spearheaded their corporate social responsibility, services, and HR platforms. She believes in humanism and approaches the workspace as a place for people to achieve not just the goals of the company, but personal ambitions as well. She found that a large part of the corporate workforce struggled with anxiety and stress, greatly impacting their overall mental health. She also has a master's in social policy from the London School of Economics and spent 13 years in the not-profit education sector, working towards bringing quality education to public sector schools in Mumbai and Pune. Niyana has lost loved ones to suicide and urgently wants to make India suicide safe. Welcome aboard, Niyana. It's an absolute pleasure to have you amongst us today.
Thank you.
Over to you, Hardik. And Hardik, I hope also the recording is on.
Yep, the recording is on.
Super.
Thank you.
All right, over to you.
Wonderful. So before I jump into asking Niana all the questions that I have, I must tell you guys, and all the ones who are still with the gray, ugly looking gray screen with no faces on, प्लीज यार आप लोग बहुत खूबसूरत हो, आप चेहरा दिखा सकते हो सच में, ट्रस्ट मी. I have a lot of love for all of you. Afzal, Galaxy A10 now. Okay, now see, look, you are so beautiful, man. Get on your cameras. We are all in India, and we all have homes of a certain kind. We don't need to be very, very beautiful backgrounds. I changed my background. I just got the curtain up. That's all that I could do. So get your cams up. We don't like to, yeah, wonderful. Get your cams up. We like to talk to people, not to gray screen. Definitely not to phone names. Again, Galaxy. Where is Galaxy? Galaxy A10.
Suhasji, we want to see you.
Suhasji, wonderful. Nice to see you. Please let me have a look at your face. You're
Murtaza
really
bhai is
handsome.
here.
Murtaza bhai, where are you? I can't see you.
There, I see him.
Okay, I think it's on the page, in the next page.
Ashwin is here. Jayesh bhai is
Ashwini,
here.
hi Ashwini. Nice to have you on for the second webinar, Ashwini.
Welcome Sunil bhai, Keyur.
Welcome everybody. Murtaza bhai, I must say you're looking very cool with that big headset on. It's look like, oh yeah, okay, so you managed the haircut also. I tried to do that for my father and I completely screwed it up. So I decided not to experiment on mine. So that's where we are. So I hope all of you guys are doing wonderful during the lockdown period. Even if you're getting bored, you are getting the quality boredom that anyone can ever get. So I hope you're enjoying that. And with respect to any kind of stress, tension, anxiety, not being able to communicate, fear, all of that, I know I've been hearing from all of you, but to address all of that, I thought that we should have an expert. And when I was thinking of who that expert can be, I couldn't think of the extreme version of expertise required to treat or manage anxiety and fear and depression and stress. So I got somebody who's an expert and somebody who works with people who have suicidal tendencies. Now I'm not saying any one of us would have such a tendency, but I guess that's the extreme version of where stress, anxiety, fear, etc. can take us. And if we have an expert who deals with that, help us today deal with our situation, it's like asking a chef to probably cook bhelpuri for us, which is like the simplest version of things that one can do. I cannot do that. So, okay, let's keep that topic away. So that's Niana for all of us. Niana, can you just wave your hand so that everybody knows, because there are too many screens if people are not on speakers. So wonderful. So Niana, I'm going to jump straight into the topic. What is mental health? Just demystify that entire terminology for all of us. And we are all entrepreneurs here. So over to you.
So mental health really very simply is how well our minds are keeping, how healthy is our mind. And that is indicated by our ability to make rational, clear decisions, be emotionally regulated, means that we're not overtaken by any one single emotion. We are able to talk to ourselves rationally in the times of fears and uncertainty. If we're not able to do that, means maybe at that point of time we're not mentally healthy. It's very different from extreme cases of a mental health condition, which could be depression, anxiety, or any other disorder that's diagnosed. But if we are struggling with overwhelming sense of long-term stress and fear, fuzzy thoughts, then we're saying that our mental health may not be so healthy. But it's generally the well-being of our mind and how we're thinking at that point of time.
तो अगर मैंने आपको सही से सुना है, so you are saying कि mental health यानी पागलपन नहीं होता है, सिर्फ दिमाग सही ठिकाने पे है, if I can say that, then you are mentally healthy. Am I right?
Yes. Mental health एक स्पेक्ट्रम के ऊपर होता है. एक साइड पे है आपका मेंटल वेलबींग, वहां पे डिस्ट्रप्शंस हो सकते हैं जो इमोशनल डिस्ट्रप्शंस होते हैं, जब वो एक्सेसिव पीरियड्स ऑफ टाइम तक चले, एंड इट कुड बिकम अ डिसऑर्डर. सो द आइडिया इज कि हम उसको जितना जल्दी हो सके उसका हम कुछ कर पाए, लाइक टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाटएवर द मेंटल हेल्थ कंसर्न इज, डीलिंग विद द स्ट्रेस या जो भी हो, हम पहले अर्लियर ऑन इटसेल्फ उसको एड्रेस करें.
Okay, so you said that mental health अगर मतलब fuzzy thoughts and stuff like that, और आपने बोला कि rational thinking अगर हम नहीं कर सकते, so what are some of the symptoms that will tell us that okay मेरा mental health जो है is not optimum, और उसके impacts क्या हो सकते हैं हमारे business scenario में, especially right now जब भी हम lockdown में हैं and there is not much that we can do. All of us are entrepreneurs, we are all excited about doing what we really want to do, पर हम नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि हम लॉकडाउन में हैं. There are lots of fears that are there. तो ये सिनेरियो में हमारे मेंटल हेल्थ का इम्पैक्ट क्या होता है, एंड हमको कैसे पता चलेगा कि अवर मेंटल हेल्थ इज नॉट ऑप्टिमम, मतलब एकदम परफेक्ट नहीं है. व्हाट आर सम ऑफ द सिम्टम्स?
ओके, सो मैं ये कहूंगी कि मेंटल हेल्थ और फिजिकल हेल्थ एक्चुअली एक होती है. फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, अगर हमें लगता है कि मैं घर बैठ सकती हूँ और पूरे दिन सोच सोच के फियर या स्ट्रेस में रहूं और मेरा फिजिकल हेल्थ ठीक रहेगा, दैट्स एक्चुअली अ मिथ. सो वी आर एक्चुअली नॉट हेल्थी ओवरऑल इफ आवर माइंड इज नॉट हेल्थी, राइट? सो लेट मी जस्ट एक्सप्लेन कि हमारा जो माइंड होता है वो कैसे वर्क करता है. तो हमारे माइंड जो है, हमारी ब्रेन जो है, 3 हिस्सों में बटी हुई है थ्रू एवोल्यूशन जिसको बोलते हैं. तो जो हमारा इमोशनल ब्रेन है वो अंदर की तरफ रहता है, जो हम जब एनिमल किंगडम के पार्ट थे तो हम ये ज्यादा इस्तेमाल करते. तो अगर आप एनिमल किंगडम देखोगे तो उनका जो नॉर्मल रिएक्शन होता है, या तो वो बैठे रहते हैं या वो खाना ढूंढने जाते हैं, और फिर अगर कोई आता है तो उनको नोचने या खाने चले जाते हैं. सो दैट इज योर इमोशनल पार्ट ऑफ द ब्रेन. जब हमें गुस्सा आता है या हमें कोई इमोशनल चीज हमारी तरफ आती है, या किसी चीज के बारे में अगर हम सोचते हैं जो डरावना हो, जैसे कि ये जो टाइम्स है, जो अनसर्टेनिटी है जिसको कहते हैं, वो हमारे इमोशनल को टेक ओवर करती है. इसके आगे जो सिर्फ इंसानों के पास होती है वो आपका प्रीफ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स जो यहाँ पे होती है. ये जो प्रीफ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स होती है वो यहाँ पे आपके रैशनल डिसीजंस आप समझ सकते हैं, रैशनल डिसीजंस ले सकते हैं, स्ट्रैटेजी कर सकते हैं, राइट और रॉन्ग सोच सकते हैं, और ये आपके इमोशनल ब्रेन के ऊपर रहता है. परंतु अभी जो टाइम्स होते हैं, जो अनसर्टेनिटी होती है, या हम बिजनेस के बारे में सोच रहे हैं और फेयरफुल थॉट्स जब हमारे माइंड में आते हैं कि अभी मैं क्या करूंगा, कैसे होगा, या ऐसे कुछ है, तो हमारी जो ब्रेन है, ये जो हमारी प्री फ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स है, वो ऑफलाइन हो जाती है और हमारा इमोशनल ब्रेन टेक ओवर हो जाती है. जब ये टेक ओवर हो जाती है हमारी जो इमोशनल ब्रेन, तो क्या होता है, हम 3 चीजें कर सकते हैं. या तो हम फाइट करते हैं, लोगों से झगड़ा करते हैं, गुस्सा करते हैं, या तो हम बैठे रहते हैं, ऐसे लगता है कुछ हम कुछ कर ही नहीं पा रहे, ऐसे लगता है कि हम एकदम स्टिफ हो गए हैं. लोग बोलेंगे आप इतने दिनों से पड़े हुए हैं, आप कुछ करते क्यों नहीं, आपको लगता है कि अंदर से कोई मोटिवेशन नहीं है, मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता. और तीसरा होता है फ्लाइट, जिसको लगता है कि अगर ये सिचुएशन में कहाँ पे भाग जाओ, कोई मुझे यहाँ से अगर मैं कहीं फैंटेसी लैंड में चले जाऊँ तो मेरे लिए अच्छा है, मैं यहाँ पे नहीं रह सकता क्योंकि टेंशन और स्ट्रेस जो है बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है, मुझे यहाँ से भागना है. तो हम हर वक्त ये सिचुएशन से कैसे निकले वही हम सोचते रहते हैं. वो हमारा इमोशनल ब्रेन होता है और वो हमें कोई रैशनल डिसीजन नहीं लेने देता. तो ये जो होता है वो स्ट्रेस के वजह से होता है. और स्ट्रेस हमें क्यों आती है कि हम सोचते रहते कि हमारी जो प्रॉब्लम है वो कभी खत्म नहीं होगी, कोई इसकी कोई इसके निकलने से मैं निकल नहीं पाऊंगा, मैं कुछ आगे सोच नहीं सकता. तो ये जो सोच है ये कहता है कि आपको कोई खतरा है, आपको इस खतरे से सिर्फ 3 तरह से निकल सकते हैं, या तो आप फाइट करो, फ्लाइट करो, या फ्रीज करो, राइट? तो ये आपका टेक ओवर करता है. हमें क्या करना है कि हमें ये जो ब्रेन जो प्री फ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स है उसको हर वक्त नीचे रखना है कि हम स्ट्रैटेजी कर पाए, हम रैशनल डिसीजंस ले पाए, हम इसके बारे में ठीक तरह से सोचे। क्योंकि अगर हम इमोशनल हो जाते हैं तो फियर ज्यादा बढ़ती है और एक साइकिल हो जाता है। फियर आती है, स्ट्रेस होता है, हार्मोन रिलीज होता है, ब्रेन सिर्फ इमोशनल रहता है, हम और डरते हैं और ये साइकिल चलता रहता है। और इसमें हम आगे इस चीज से निकलने के लिए या आगे हम क्या कर सकते हैं उसके बारे में हम बिल्कुल नहीं सोच सकते हैं। तो वो हमको सिर्फ एक जगह पे रुका देती है। अगर हमको आगे बढ़ना है तो हमें याद रखना है कि हमारे उस वक्त रैशनल ब्रेन नहीं चल रही है, हम इमोशनल है। और हम यही कहते हैं कि उस वक्त आप कोई डिसीजन ना ले, कोई बड़ी डिसीजन ना ले, क्योंकि उसमें आपके इमोशंस ही है, कोई रैशनल सोच नहीं है। तो ब्रेन को वापस लाने के लिए बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो हम कर सकते हैं। पर इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट स्ट्रेस के टाइम में अगर आप फ्लाइट, फ्राइट या फ्रीज महसूस कर रहे हैं, मतलब उस वक्त आपके ब्रेन ऑप्टिमम नहीं चल रही है और उस वक्त में आप ना कोई डिसीजन ले, कोई बड़ी डिसीजन ना ले, और अपने आप को थोड़ा वक्त दे कि आपकी रैशनल ब्रेन और वर्किंग कंडीशन में आ जाए।
Wonderful, Niana. Those words were like absolutely drops of wisdom. So thank you very much. बहुत ही खूबसूरत explanation था. And I think हमको बहुत आसानी से समझ में आ रहा है मुझे कि exactly कैसे हमें समझ में आया कि हम सही दिमाग के पोजीशन पे नहीं हैं to take big decisions. And आज मैंने I don't know how many of you, आप लोग में से कितने जनों ने आज मैंने एक ऑडियो क्लिप भेजा था, because I am थोड़ा fortunate to have a lengthier conversation with Niana before this call also. तो मुझे इतना मजा आया वो conversation में that I said okay, I have to do a video and say this to you. तो आप लोग में से अगर किसी ने वो ऑडियो क्लिप देखा है तो just raise your hand or maybe do a thumbs up so I know. Yeah. ये दौर ऐसा है कि ये दौर में we have to take decisions. And I think वो decisions लेने के लिए ये बहुत जरूरी है कि हम पहले आइडेंटिफाई करें कि हम स्ट्रेस में तो नहीं है, हम फ्लाइट फाइट या फ्रीज मोड में तो नहीं है। क्योंकि अगर हम वो मोड में हैं और वो मोड में अगर हम डिसीजन लेंगे तो भैया हमने लॉकडाउन को परमानेंट करने का सोच लिया है। तो लॉकडाउन को अगर बिजनेस में या आप जो भी कर रहे हो प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में परमानेंट नहीं करना है तो पहली चीज आइडेंटिफाई करो, आर यू इन द राइट मोड ऑफ योर ब्रेन? am I doing that right, Niana?
एब्सोल्युटली हार्दिक, क्योंकि इमोशनली आप जब भी कोई डिसीजन लोगे तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं लगेगा कि अरे आप आगे जब जाके देखोगे अरे मैंने इमोशनल में डिसीजन ले लिया उस वक्त, अरे कितने और सॉल्यूशंस हो सकते थे जो मैंने नहीं सोचा। क्योंकि आपका जो विजन होता है वो एकदम ऐसे हो जाता है, आपको कुछ दिखाई नहीं देता। और कोई भी सिचुएशन में जब आप रैशनली सोचोगे तो आपको 10 सॉल्यूशंस मिल ही जाएंगे। और वो बहुत जरूरी है कि आप उस चीज को वे करें और फिर डिसीजन ले जब आपको लगे कि हाँ मैं इस वक्त डर से नहीं, एब्सोल्यूट क्लैरिटी से डिसीजन ले रहा हूँ।
तो नियाना एक लीडिंग क्वेश्चन है मुझे इस चीज पे कि जब हम बोल रहे हैं कि रैशनली सोचना चाहिए, मतलब लॉजिकली सोचना चाहिए, हाउ इज दैट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल? जो बहुत लोग हैं, मेरे क्लाइंट्स भी हैं, जो बोलते हैं मैं गट से सोचता हूँ और मेरे गट डिसीजंस होते हैं। आर गट डिसीजंस रैशनल और आर गट डिसीजंस नॉट रैशनल, एंड विच ऑफ देम आर राइट?
सो अगर आप साइंस में देखोगे तो गट एक्चुअली डिसीजंस नहीं लेती हैं। आप यू ईदर टेक रैशनल डिसीजंस और इमोशनल डिसीजंस। ये जो गट की बात होती है वो एक इंट्यूशन जिसको कहते हैं, बट दैट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स टू यू। उसके बाद अगर आप ओवरथिंक करोगे तो दैट गोज ऑन एन इमोशनल पाथ। एनी डिसीजन जब आप लोगे और अगर आप बोलोगे गट में, तो आपको पहले उसके रैशनल प्रोज एंड कॉन्स देख के फिर डिसीजन लेना है। अगर आप गट बोलोगे और उसके बारे में ओवर सोचोगे तो then it will naturally go into the emotional section. But by science we never really say anything that is in your gut. The only thing that's there in your gut is, you know, your other organs.
Bacteria.
Yeah. So that's just a saying that we have which talks about human intuition. But again, intuition comes from a very core aspect of survival, right?
I was just jokingly sharing with somebody. Somebody just told me आज ही के दिन, just before this call, I was talking to somebody, और उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि मेरा गट मुझे कहता है कि मुझे ये नहीं करना चाहिए. I said तो आप, और पर मैंने जब भी ऐसा किया लास्ट टाइम, मैंने बिना सोचे ऐसे कर दिया था. नहीं करना चाहिए, मत करो. नहीं, मैंने जब लास्ट टाइम ये ऐसा गट से मैंने जो डिसीजन लिया था ना, तो बहुत खराब हालत हो गई थी. मेरे डिसीजंस ने मुझे काट लिया. तो मैं बोला ऑफ कोर्स ना, गट में बैक्टीरिया होता है, बैक्टीरिया कीड़ों के पास छोड़ोगे डिसीजन तो कीड़े तो काटेंगे. तो नाउ आई आस्क यू अबाउट द अदर एक्सट्रीम जो मेरे साथ होता है. आई एम अ प्रोसेस कंसल्टेंट, सो आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन इनटू द प्रोसेस यानी लॉजिक सर्किट. तो मेरे दिमाग का सोचना ऑटोमेटिक वैसा हो जाता है कि अगर कोई मुझे कुछ क्वेश्चन करेगा तो मेरे दिमाग में एक तरीके का फ्लो चार्ट बनना शुरू हो जाता है. and it happens at a very rapid speed. तो ये मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये मेरी स्ट्रेंथ भी है और यही मेरा वीकनेस है, क्योंकि जब मैं ये फ्लो चार्ट बनाने लगता हूँ तो मुझे इतने सारे इक्वल नंबर ऑफ प्रोज एंड कॉन्स हो जाते हैं कि कभी कभी मैं इनडिसाइसिव हो जाता हूँ. सो हाउ डू यू मेक श्योर दैट यू कीप द बैलेंस, यानी आप पूरी तरह से इमोशनली नहीं जा रहे हो, एंड पूरी तरह से व्हेन डू यू स्टॉप एंड व्हेन डू यू स्टार्ट?
Okay. So first couple of things to add to that. So your need, human beings का natural state balance होता है. Okay, by nature जो हम बने हुए हैं, या आप नेचर को भी देखोगे या यूनिवर्स को देखोगे, हम तभी ऑप्टिमम फंक्शन करते हैं जब हम बैलेंस होते हैं, राइट? सबके एक या तो हम बहुत लॉजिकल होते हैं या तो बहुत इमोशनल होते हैं, इंसान, राइट? एक तो देखना है कि लाइक यू राइटली सेड, मैं ज्यादा इमोशनल हूँ कि ज्यादा लॉजिकल हूँ, राइट? कभी कभी लॉजिक में जाने से सारे जो प्रोज एंड कॉन्स है इक्वल हो जाते हैं. बट द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट जब हम प्रोज एंड कॉन्स बनाते हैं, हमें बोथ लॉजिकल प्रोज एंड कॉन्स और इमोशनल, everything is not black and white, right? There are grays in between, right? And those grays that sometimes हम लोग हमें तकलीफ होती है वो देखने कि ये ग्रे है क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता इस ग्रे के साथ मैं क्या करूं, राइट? सो वो ग्रे को अगर हम फर्दर ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट कर सकते हैं, देन वी आर एबल टू एक्चुअली ब्रिंग दैट बैलेंस. सो कौन से एरियाज है जिससे मैं एक्चुअली ये मैं ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट कर सकता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे ये आती है. जब इमोशंस में जाता हूँ तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता, पर दैट्स अ वेरी बिग पार्ट, क्योंकि इंसान इमोशंस होते हैं. हम जिस तरह से बात करते हैं एक दूसरे से, उसमें इमोशंस है. अगर हमें कट थ्रोट भी बनना होगा बिजनेस में, उसमें पीछे इमोशंस होते हैं. हम वापस जाकर उसके बारे में सोचेंगे, राइट? सो इट्स बेटर कि हम पहले ही जब एक कॉन्वर्सेशन या एक बैलेंस लाने की कोशिश करें कि हम प्रोज एंड कॉन्स बोथ इमोशनल साइड के करें और लॉजिकल साइड के करें, तो ही हम देख सकते हैं कि बोथ पार्ट्स ऑफ द लेफ्ट एंड राइट ब्रेन आर स्पीकिंग टू ईच अदर. नहीं तो एक ही साइड ऑफ द ब्रेन हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं, पर इंसान एक्चुअली दोनों ब्रेन्स को बैलेंस करने की बहुत जरूरत है, क्योंकि नहीं तो हम वापस जाकर बोलेंगे मैंने ये तो भाई सोचा नहीं कि उसको इतना बुरा लगेगा जब मैंने ऐसे कहा उनको. And that can be the fall through of everything, even though we have thought of the full scenario, right? वो मैंने कैसे छूट गया? It's because we're either thinking totally logically or totally emotionally, which is why when we do pros and cons, or before we do something, we rehearse a conversation, we talk to people. That actually brings your both of your brains into a balance, and that's when you're actually able to see a situation for what it is.
Wonderful, wonderful. Niana, I'm just thinking right now, what kind of people come to you? As in, what kind of assistance do people ask from you? कब आते हैं लोग आपके पास और क्या पूछते हैं?
So there's a large range, हार्दिक. ज्यादातर तो हम first response करते हैं in situations of high distress. उस वक्त हमें और कुछ दिखाई नहीं देता, उनको कैसे सेफ्टी में लाना है वो करते हैं। पर बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो इनडिसाइसिव होते हैं, डिसीजन मेकिंग डिफिकल्ट होती है, जो उनका नेचुरल स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग है, क्योंकि उनमें ज्यादा स्ट्रेस और एंजाइटी लेना उनका जो वो कहते हैं मैं ऐसे ही हूँ, नॉट बट जब डिसीजन मेकिंग या ऐसे कोई तकलीफ होती है तो हम ज्यादा स्ट्रेस्ड हो जाते हैं, या हमें लगता है कि अगर मैं कर लूँ तो ये रॉन्ग हो जाएगा, मेरे से कोई गलती हो जाएगी, या समथिंग विल हैपन, और हम लोग वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो में चले जाते हैं। तो उनको वहां से वापस ले आना कि हमारा जो ब्रेन है ऑलरेडी स्टोरीज बना के आपको वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो में लेके जाते हैं, पर अभी वो अभी तक हुआ नहीं है, फिर भी हम वो स्ट्रेस में रह रहे हैं। तो उनको वापस कैसे ले आते हैं कि ओके फाइन, टेक योर स्टेप्स बैक, आप वहां तक पहुंचे नहीं है अभी तक, अगर वो हो सकता है तो क्या चीजें करने पड़ेंगे जिसके लिए आपको वहां पे होना होगा, एंड देन वी वर्क बैकवर्ड फ्रॉम देयर। देयर लॉट ऑफ यूथ जो होती हैं जो मैं करियर में क्या करूँ, आगे जाके क्या करूँ, फैमिली इश्यूज होती हैं, लोगों जो जिनको फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज होती हैं, those kinds of individuals who feel that अभी मैं क्या करूँ, I don't know, can I talk about it, क्योंकि for a lot of people बात करना बहुत difficult होता है।
So, uh, I think I can relate to आप जो बोल रहे हो, I can relate to that. In fact, मैं आपको पूछना शायद कुछ और चाह रहा था और पूछा कुछ और मैंने। मैं पूछना ये चाह रहा था कि when you talk about people in the US or elsewhere, going to a shrink, which is somebody like, I don't know if I should categorize you as a shrink, but going to somebody who can give assistance on mental health is considered okay. बट यहाँ इंडिया में जब भी अगर ऐसा कोई हेल्प ले तो इट इज सीन एज टैबू। तो ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि ओनली व्हेन यू आर लाइक इन एक्यूट डिप्रेशन इज व्हेन यू कैन reach out for help, even if you're not in the acute depression but you just identified, you can reach out for help, right?
Absolutely. So why wait कि डिप्रेशन तक बात चली जाए, राइट? सो ह्यूमन बीइंग्स जैसे हम लोग को बिल्ड किया गया है, लाइक आई सेड, बैलेंस होती है। जब हम स्ट्रेस या लेते हैं तो हमारा जो हार्मोन कॉर्टिसोल या एड्रेनलिन, जो आपने सुना होगा, जब हम भागते हैं तो बॉडी आपको एड्रेनलिन देती है, उससे आपका हार्ट बीट इंक्रीज होता है, आपको एनर्जी मिलती है, आपका जो सोच है वो थोड़ा बहुत क्लियर होता है। पर आपका बॉडी जो है सिर्फ क्रॉनिक स्ट्रेस के लिए बनी हुई है, अक्यूट स्ट्रेस के लिए नहीं। जब अक्यूट स्ट्रेस होती है, जो लॉन्ग टर्म पीरियड ऑफ स्ट्रेस होती है, जो आफ्टर 1 month 2 months 3 months वो अक्यूमुलेट आपके बॉडी में, ये टॉक्सिन कॉर्टिसोल चलती रहती, वो आपके बैलेंस जो है आपके बॉडी के उसको ऑफ करती है। तो पहले चीज क्या होती है, आपको इलनेस होती है, क्योंकि जो आपकी कॉर्टिसोल है वो आपकी इम्यून सिस्टम को बचाती है। पर अगर उनको लगता है कि आपकी मेंटल स्ट्रेस है तो वो वहां पे चली जाती है उसको ठीक करने, और आपका बॉडी रह जाती है। सो एक्चुअली इट इज नॉट गुड फॉर फिजिकल हेल्थ, राइट? The second is कि acute stress for long periods of time could become things of रात को नींद नहीं आना, रात को नींद नहीं आने से दिन में आपको टायर्ड लगना, फिर आपको लगे कि मैं दिन में सोए रहूं, फिर आप दिन में सोगे तो शाम को उठोगे तो लगेगा मैंने पूरे दिन क्या कर लिया, कुछ नहीं किया, दिन चला गया, फिर अपने आप को कोसना शुरू होता है, फिर आपको लगता है कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मेरा काम कहाँ पे था, मैं कहाँ आ गया, मैं 2 महीने पहले कैसे था, अभी कैसे हो गया, देखो ये ऐसे ही चलने वाला है। तो नेगेटिव थॉट प्रोसेस शुरू होने लगती है, उसमें से आपके बॉडी को और कॉर्टिसोल मिलती है, उसमें से फिर आपको लगता है कि मैं फ्लाइट फ्राइट या फ्रीज में रह जाऊं। एक्सेसिव फ्लाइट फ्राइट और फ्रीज विदाउट टॉकिंग अबाउट इट टू समवन, या प्रोज एंड कॉन्स लिखना, या अपने खुद डायरी में लिखना, या किसी के न्यूट्रल पार्टी से बात करना जो आपको जज नहीं करे, जो आपको एडवाइस नहीं दे, शायद आपको एडवाइस की जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ किसी को बोलना देखो ये मेरा प्लान है, मुझे कहीं पे बात करनी है, क्योंकि उसी वक्त आपका रैशनल ब्रेन नीचे वापस आ जाती. Instantly when you talk about the problem, instantly your rational brain comes back. So if we are not doing that for excessive periods of time, naturally your body will start moving into a mode of depression. What is depression? It's excessive cortisol in your body, which reduces it keeps your emotional brain on. So you will feel like लो मूड हो जाएगी, फिर हमें खाना नहीं है, फिर उठना नहीं है, फिर कहीं जाना नहीं है, फिर इरिटेबिलिटी शुरू हो जाती है, फिर ज्यादा इरिटेबिलिटी शुरू हो जाती. यहाँ पे बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है कि एज मेन स्पेशली सब्सटेंस अब्यूज शुरू हो सकती है. ड्रिंकिंग करना, एक्सेसिव स्मोकिंग करना, सेल्फ मेडिकेशन जिसको बोलती है, वो बहुत हाई चांसेस हो जाती है. और अगर हम पहले कहते थे कि हाँ एक ड्रिंक ले लेते थे हफ्ते में, तो कभी इस टाइम में हो सकता है हम 2 ले, फिर उससे बढ़ने लगता है और वहां पे एडिक्शन शुरू हो जाती. सो एक्चुअली जब आप स्ट्रेस के बारे में बोलते हो, एक बीज होती है जो इफ यू डोंट रियली टॉक अबाउट एंड एड्रेस इट can become a lot of different things. So going to a therapist does not necessarily mean कि मेरे में कोई प्रॉब्लम है. It just means कि मेरे पास कोई प्रॉब्लम है जिसके बारे में मुझे बात करनी है और मुझे हल निकालनी है, और मैं ऐसे इंसान से बात करूं जो ट्रेंड है सुनने में और विदाउट जजमेंट सुने और एडवाइस नहीं दे, परंतु हमें दिखा सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे आप क्या सही देख रहे हैं और यहाँ पे शायद आप बहुत इमोशनल हो रहे हैं. That's about it.
Wonderful, wonderful. So Niana, I have a not so connected question now for you, and the question is that is fear kind of a mental health challenge, that one is constant fear? Would
Yes.
you categorize? Yeah, it is. So in this situation, I'm getting calls from a lot of people, and both Fawzia and myself, we also keep discussing about what the future of our own company, while we are discussing with the others. And there is a constant, because we don't know what is going to happen. हमको ये पता है कि okay, you know what, लॉकडाउन है, लॉकडाउन जब लिफ्ट अप होगा तो ये कंस्ट्रेंट्स होंगे, शायद वापस से लॉकडाउन होगा, तो थोड़ा अंदाजा है, and we know how the business should be navigated. But having said this, we cannot deny the fact कि किसी को भी आज पता नहीं है कि what future holds for you. So there is a constant thinking that gets into everybody's head. How many of you resonate with me? Put a thumbs up and let me know. जो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ वो क्या आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि यही सही पूछ रहा हूँ मैं, आपको वो ख्याल आते हैं? And a lot of us, get into that fear.
Hardik, by logic, if you look at it, हमें कभी भी नहीं पता होता कि कल क्या होगा. हमें लगता है कि हमें पता है.
Yeah, that's a very good point. Where do I use the emojis to put a thumbs up for that? Yeah, that's a very good point. हमें लगता है कि हमें पता है क्या होने वाला है.
हमें लगता है कि ये ऐसे ही चलने वाला है, रेल पे, पटरी पे हमारा ट्रेन चलने वाला है. But that is actually incorrect. The only thing we know is the only thing constant is change and uncertainty. पर हमें लगता है, right? अभी actually we actually have more clarity now than we have ever had कि actually अभी lockdown शायद बढ़ेगा, उसके बाद शायद और बढ़ेगा, and that is about it that we know. And अगर हमको safe रहना है तो हमें ये चीजें करनी है. So if this is the certainty, तो मैं इस चीज करूँ.
So guys, at this point, before I go on with my next question for Niana, I want to tell, मैं सबको बताना चाहता हूँ, we are about almost now starting to touch 45ish. This is a golden opportunity. I don't think anybody in this room is away from anxiety, stress, fear in the lockdown. If you're a business owner, you are definitely into one of this right now. There is no shying away from that. ये एक ऐसा ग्रुप है हमारा कम्युनिटी जहाँ पे हम ओपनली बात कर सकते हैं. Some of you have not hesitated to call me up, do a coaching call, discuss challenges openly, जिसके वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड करके मैं फेसबुक पे डाल रहा हूँ. And trust me, that is being bold. That is what leaders are all about. We don't shy away. We go towards working and solving problems. So I would want you guys to take this opportunity. I think ये conversation बहुत brilliant जा रहा है. I would want this opportunity to be with you as well. तो आप जो questions हैं आपके वो सारे chat पे डालना शुरू कीजिए. I would love to take your direct questions and ask. Of course, I have lots of them. And जैसे Niana is speaking, मेरे को और भी सवाल आते जा रहे हैं. But I think this ये वाला webinar जो है, I think you should ask all your questions as much as you can. Obviously, we will not be able to take all of them, but as many as we can, we would love to take. So put your questions, आप questions डालिए, while I go into the other questions that I have. So Niana, what is the link? You mentioned about addiction हो सकता है, right? Now addiction may not necessarily mean smoking करें या drinking करें या ऐसा कुछ करें. Like I will be very honest about myself because मैं दूसरों को बोल रहा हूँ आप question पूछो तो मैं खुद पहले शुरुआत करना चाहता हूँ. So I have the addiction right now, and my addiction is जो पूरे दिन में मुझे सवाल आते हैं ना, वो सारे सवालों को लेके मैं बैठता हूँ, and then I do YouTube and I do internet and I tell myself कि मुझे इसके आंसर्स ढूंढने हैं. अभी ये मेरे को ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैं कोई देवता नहीं हूँ. तो आई बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मुझे ये आंसर्स मैं इसलिए नहीं ढूंढ रहा हूँ ताकि मेरे को पूरी दुनिया को सुधार देना है एंड आई वांट टू बी द रीजन. नो, एक्चुअली डीप डाउन इन माय हार्ट आई वांट टू बी इन बिजनेस एंड माय बिजनेस इज हेल्पिंग पीपल बी इन बिजनेस. तो मैं ये आंसर ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. एंड देन लाइक यू मेंशन्ड, जब आपने बताया कि लोग सोते नहीं है, I get into doing exactly that. So I had learned something from somebody who's there on this group right now. Rohan, can you wave your hand? Rohan Pawar. Yeah. So Rohan mentioned to me about a word, and I'll share it with all of you. It's called tonic. So tonic means all the media material जो आपको खराब emotion से बाहर निकाले. So I have a playlist now जिसका नाम टॉनिक है. I have some reading material जिसका नाम टॉनिक है. And I've created a diary type of a thing online जिसमें मैं log करता हूँ जिसका नाम टॉनिक है. So whenever I spiral into negative thoughts, I venture into tonic. Now so ये एक तो दो questions है. एक तो ये टॉनिक करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए. I whatever I do, I share it with everybody here. So I'm lot of people here, यहाँ पे जितने भी हैं उसमें से बहुत सारे जन हमारे कीप प्रोपेलिंग के ग्रुप में होंगे जहाँ पे मेडिटेशन आता है, मोटिवेशनल कोट आता है और एक there are 3 pieces of content that come every single day in the morning. I have a library full of that. How many of you are a part of that? I think if people are not, then Fawzia, is it possible for us to put a link in the chat box? So क्या वो टॉनिक हमको करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए? I recently shared a audio song with somebody who is on this group. I don't want to tag him, and I think it worked for him. It worked for me, so I genuinely just shared it. So ये टॉनिक करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए? That is question number 1. एंड मेरा जो जागना है पूरे रात भर या लेट नाइट तक रिसर्चिंग एंड फिगरिंग आउट के क्वेश्चंस के मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट आंसर्स क्या हो सकते हैं, हाउ डू आई टैकल दैट? बिकॉज मेरा रैशनल ब्रेन मुझे बोलता है ये तो रैशनल है ना, ये मतलब ये तो करना ही चाहिए. So
there are 2 things. One is a passion, and it looks like your work is your passion, Hardik. And finding answers and ensuring that लोगों को इस time में सही answers मिले is something that you are passionate about. However, when a passion takes away your sleep, it is unhealthy. Human being has balance, and anything that is in balance is healthy. The moment you're away from balance, you're going down a path of something unhealthy. It may not necessarily be an addiction, but there is something that is not as per the circadian clock of a human being. So you need your sleep, you need the food, you need water, you need exercise, you need those basic things. No matter how passionate and how important these answers are for people, you will eventually not function optimally if you're not in balance. So sleep is when your mind gets the rest that it requires for it to cope with the stress of the next day, the anxiety of the next day. right? And if you're not providing it that, you will slowly start finding that your body gets tired and your immune system gets affected. So all of these things are working in a very beautiful clockwork. Moment we start taking that for granted for whatever reason, and we throw ourselves off that balance, we're not being healthy, and eventually that is going to affect our mental health.
Wonderful, wonderful. How about the tonic version of the things? Is that something that one should do, not do, temporary है, कर सकते हैं ऐसा कुछ?
So again, temporary is how long, right? If you're looking at doing this as like going and reading and growing as you have like your different things, yeah. But I think everything you do in balance, because also there's only so much your brain actually absorbs after a certain point of time. So technically, isn't that your tonic? The mind was not actually taken as much as you imagine it to. So you'd rather sleep, wake up earlier, so your mind is freshest at 5 in the morning. You wake up then, and what you would do for like 4 hours in the night, you'll end up doing it for 1 hour in the morning. So using our time more effectively and understanding the body and mind coordinate, is far more important. So it's good to do it. There's absolutely not. But knowing that those 4 hours in the night is not going to give you a lot more than if you do it for 1 hour in the morning. You'll end up taking in a lot more with a fresher brain.
So Nayana, one more question on the fear side of things. Okay, there are a lot of people who are asking me in person who have bad news to communicate to their team. मतलब the year हमारा शुरू हुआ था with aims and goals and everything, and मैं ये believe करता हूँ कि ये webinar पे जितने भी लोग हैं, all of them are winners in their own sense. They are not people जो बैठे रहेंगे और ये सोचेंगे कि ओ कुछ नहीं करना है, because अगर ऐसे होते तो ये webinar में आने का effort ही नहीं लिया होता. Am I right in saying that or am I wrong? If I'm right, thumbs up for your own self. Yeah, thumbs up for your own self. Okay, so you guys, so that's right. So अब situation ऐसा है कि we may have communicated brilliant goals and हम ऐसा करेंगे, हम वैसा करेंगे, and in the most rudimentary way of saying it, अब हवा निकल गई है.
Yeah.
So in some cases टायर भी फ्लैट होने वाला है या हो चुका है. अब हमको हमारे टीम को बोलना है कि भाई जो तुझे मैं एरोप्लेन बता रहा था वो एरोप्लेन तो रिक्शा भी नहीं रहा. So ये कम्युनिकेशन करने से डर लग रहा है. बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे हैं that today in the morning again Fauzia and me we had a conference call with a customer and we were discussing कि ये communicate करने के लिए should Fauzia be a part of that communication या should I be a part of that communication, like to back the guy up and say okay कर ले, कुछ नहीं होगा, सवाल आएंगे तो हम handle करेंगे. Now ये fear को कैसे tackle करना चाहिए?
So, Hardik, what is the fear? Is it conveying the news, or is it what would come back, or is the fear कि मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे?
I think it's a combination of all three.
Okay, so
I think it's a combination.
Yeah. So the most important thing I've seen in business and genuinely, अगर हम relationships देखें या human to human connections देखे या psychology देखे, तो one very clear thing is that the truth is कि ये जो हो रहा है सबके साथ हो रहा है, we're not alone. Okay. So there are times when मुझे लगे कि मैं एक ही इंसान हूँ, सब ठीक कर रहा है और मेरे ऊपर ये तकलीफ आई है, right? The reality of today is that everybody, हर एक इंसान, right? Whether it's you thinking about yours, whether I'm thinking about mental health, कोई और अपने business के बारे में सोच रहा है, हमारे यहाँ पे जो group है, everybody is going through the same thing. So there is nothing to hide. सबको पता है कि तकलीफें आ रही है, सबके ऊपर आ रही हैं, पर the most important thing is two things. One is क्या मैं यही चीज इतने clarity, genuine and sincerity से, without any कम करके बताओ, ज्यादा करके बताओ, just as it is, अगर मैं बता सकता हूँ अपने एम्प्लॉय को, because so many of us are the employees who may have been with us for many years, उनकी लॉयल्टी है, हमें लगता है कि हम कैसे उनके साथ ये कर सकते हैं, या मैंने उनको कहा था कि ये होगा भी, मेरी जुबान के बारे में हो जाती है, मेरी इज्जत के बारे में हो जाती है, या मैंने इतने सालों से ये किया है, अभी सब अभी मैं कैसे बताऊं इनको कि मैंने जो कहा था उसमें मेरा क्या रह जाएगा, राइट? The important thing is everybody knows कि इस वक्त क्या हो रहा है. अगर आप genuinely और sincerely एक conversation रखे किसी, आप कभी भी किसी से genuinely किसी ने आपसे बात की, देख भैया मेरे में ये मुझे अभी तकलीफ हो रही है, कभी किसी ने कहा कि आप क्या बोल रहे हैं, ऐसे नहीं हो सकता. No, because everybody knows. There is a power in genuine and sincere conversation. जो vulnerability जिसको बोलते हैं, जिससे हम डरते हैं actually, is the most powerful human expression कि हम बोल सकते हैं this is the situation, right? If you're able to convey that with sincerity and with courage and clarity, we have automatically got the other person to understand. That's number one. Number two, अगर हमारे conversation में अगर हम पूछे, देखिए इसके वजह से आपको क्या तकलीफ होगी, क्या मैं आपके साथ बैठ के इसके बारे में सोच सकता हूँ या कुछ solution ला सकता हूँ, तो मैं करूँगा, right? तो that's the second thing कि आपने अपने बारे में नहीं सोचा, आपने मेरे बारे में भी सोचा. At the end of the day, in our country and in the world, financial is one thing, human connections are second, right? The most important is, अरे इसने मेरे बारे में सोचा और उन्होंने clearly मुझे बताया क्या situation है, right? And honesty has no value to, it's priceless. And that is what we found both in business and in situation, unprecedented times like this. If you are able to be brutally, sincerely honest, the fear will automatically go, because you're not trying to make up a story. कि अगर मैं कहानी बताऊं और वो मुझे ये बोले तो मुझे कहानी का पार्ट 2 क्या होना है. I don't have to think, क्योंकि मैं जो जैसे है, I have to put it in front of you, and I expect as a human that person will come back and say, yeah, I get it, you're not doing this out of any other thing, it is the time.
Wonderful,
right?
wonderful.
So
Thank you. Guys, बुरखे में रहने दो, पर्दा में हटाओ वाला सिनेरियो ये ग्रुप में नहीं है. Keep your webcams on. I'd love to see you. That's the only way मुझे समझ में आएगा आप हमारे साथ हो या आप सो गए हो, स्ट्रेस में हो, क्या है मुझे समझ में आएगा. So Niana, I'm going to take a few questions because there are questions that are coming. So there is a question from Saket. He's asking, how do one cope up or shift the mindset when he or she is going through the anxiety or depression, especially when the way forward is not clear?
First things first, I want to explain that stress is different from anxiety and depression. Worry is different from stress, anxiety, and depression. So the moment we clean up our language, we tell us, "Arey, मैं तो depressed हो गया," that immediately the brain understands and kicks into that, right? So the brain responds to what you tell the language. You talk to your brain at all times, right? That is how psychology works. If I tell myself, "अरे मैं तो depressed हो गया, मैं तो anxiety में हूँ, मैं तो ये हो गया, वो हो गया," that is what your body and your mind will start responding to. So is this a diagnosed thing, or is this something that you feel about yourself, that I'm feeling depressed and anxious? And depression and anxiety have certain sort of emotional and long-term sort of reasons for why it might be anxiety and depression. So if it is a general low mood, or whether it's anxiety and depression, one is, it would be really, really good to able to speak to a neutral person, to able to understand where the concern about the way not being clear is. Because whether it's in a relationship, whether it's in a workplace, whether it's your career path, whether it's a new venture, whether it's a project, it could be any different things, that you talk about it to a neutral person. That's number one. And number two thing that you can do on your own is to journal. Journaling is not just to write. हम सिर्फ लिख लिख के जर्नलिंग नहीं करते, हम एक्चुअली डिलिबरेट सोच के लिखते हैं कि ओके मुझे किस चीज के बारे में क्लैरिटी नहीं है, और हम वहां से लिखना शुरू करते कि मुझे इस चीज में क्लैरिटी नहीं है क्योंकि, और फिर जब आप लिखना शुरू करोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका सबकॉन्शियस ब्रेन ऑन हो जाता है, जो अंदर में एक्चुअल जो आपकी डर है वो आगे आके पेपर पे निकलने लगता है. एंड देन यू कैन एक्चुअली सी एक्चुअली मेरे को डर इस चीज की है कि अगर मैं स्टार्ट करूँ और ये टाइम क्या सही है या नहीं, और अगर मैं ये आगे नहीं चले तो शायद मैं उस चीज से डरता हूँ. सो व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल फियर? What we've realized that the fear is actually not the COVID, it is not the situation, it is other things that are coming up for people, which is getting mixed up. So try to write about कि मुझे इस चीज के बारे में clarity नहीं है क्योंकि, and then you start writing from there, you will get it. After that, you can actually take it to a more neutral person and try to break it down. Or if you keep writing that for a few days, usually for about a week, you will automatically get the answer of where the issue is. क्योंकि आप अपने सबकॉन्शियस में जाके उसको एक्चुअली खुद अपने आप क्लैरिटी ला सकते हैं.
Thank you very much, Saket. All the best with what you have now as an answer, and I'm hopeful that you will not have the same exclamation next time. You'll be far better, and keep roaring. So coming to the next one, this is from Ashwini Kukreja. I have insomnia, which I feel is an addiction for not sleeping. Is it really an addiction or a challenge or a disease? I think Niana, I think we've lost you because your video is paused.
I think she'll be back in a few seconds.
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay, so by the time we get Niana back online with us, I'd like to share with you guys something. There is an app on what Niana just mentioned. कि journaling करो. There is an app called Perspective. I don't know if it's just an iOS app, but it is an app जहाँ पे आप journaling कर सकते हो. अगर वो same app नहीं है तो कोई और app होगा Android पे. You can download that app, do your journaling, and every day journal करने के बाद, at least I do that, I look at the trend and it helps me explain कि भाई मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ continuously. So it kind of helps. So Niana, we have you back. Yeah, I'm going to read out the question again to you. You with us? Fawzia, you'll have to unmute her. Fawzia, you will have to unmute her. Fawzia, you are mute as well, so I don't know if you heard what I said.
Yeah, I did. Sorry, it just takes a few seconds for that to get unmuted. Sorry.
Yeah, could you repeat the question, please?
Ouch. Niana, can we hear you say hi? Maybe that's how we'll know you're on.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi,
okay,
I'm here.
Great.
Could you repeat the question?
Yes, I'll repeat the question. So this is Ashwini who says, I have insomnia, which I feel is an addiction of not sleeping. Is this really an addiction or a challenge or a disease?
Okay, so insomnia is the inability to sleep. It is not an addiction. It can be a condition, and it's usually what we say is got underlying stress and anxiety related to it, because we have our mind moving at all times, which does not allow us to sleep. There are a lot of things you can do for insomnia if it is not chronic. Well, the first thing is, again, it's something I tell everybody, it's to keep your mind from stopping to talk, because it loves to talk. Is journal before you go to bed. Use there are a lot of apps like Calm or Headspace, which are free, that has waves that actually help you sleep, so that it gets your brain into a calmer state of being. That's 2, 3. Do not watch too much of news and television before you go to bed. Do not use your phone before you go to bed, especially if you're suffering from insomnia. Don't read any news that might be disturbing to you. And that should help you try to get some sleep at night. But no, it's not an addiction. It could be a condition. But it also, I don't know how long you have it for, but if it is recent, then it could be because of some of the stress that is going on right now.
Wonderful. So next question is from Amit Solanki, and I guess it's one of the very good question. Amit, thank you very much for asking that question, because I wanted to ask this question, but somehow just slipped my mind. So Amit writes, when you are in the same situation, but you want to see or think neutrally without being affected by your own emotions, how can we do? So let me just add to that. It's like, I am an entrepreneur and I have a team. I am struggling to feel encouraged, but I know I have to encourage my team. I'm struggling to see the light at the end of the tunnel, but I'm supposed to make sure that my team sees it through. How do you do that?
Okay, so there are doing it, and it really depends on your style. Like what I genuinely feel is that leadership is about honesty and integrity and genuine sincerity. And sometimes it's just about saying that, hey, you know what, I feel the same. But that is okay, and that we can move forward together, and we have plans in place for that, and create a plan. Say that these are some of the ideas that I have, and that it's only going to be possible if we stay together. So that's number one. So that's one way of leading your team. The other way of leading your team will be to actually figure out what are their stress points, what are their concerns, what are some of the questions they're looking to ask. Sit back and try to find the answers, ask them to tell you what those concerns are, and then to try to answer them to the best of your ability. Motivation is not something that we can really hand over to someone. It's internal, right? If we want to feel internally motivated and internally remove the basic inertia in our lives, we need to do something that makes us move, right? So if you need to go speak to your team, one of the quick things you need to do is to put on music that is really high vibrating and actually kick your sense of motivation up. So play a song that really motivates you, right? Whatever that might be. It changes instantly. Music instantly changes the way you perceive something, right? So if I have to go in, but if I'm listening to like Mother India songs, it's not going to help. If I am going into a meeting, you might want to listen to what's that, Gully Boy songs, right?
By the way,
I
must interrupt you, Niana, there. I hated Gully Boy songs, but right now in my tonic list, I have Apna Time Aayega. And I really want to say to all of you guys, no matter how big a shit you are in, Apna Time Aayega. और किसका आएगा यार? हमारा ही आएगा ना? How many of you agree to this? Put a thumbs up. Apna time 100% आएगा. आज भले बजी पड़ी है. No problem. Apna time 100% आएगा. Put a thumbs up. Put a thumbs up. Yes. Yes. Wonderful. Yeah. Sorry for that interruption.
Oh, absolutely. Because the thing is that you need to believe it. Because even if you try and talk to your team, people see that, actually, when you're walking out, you can tell when somebody is actually trying so hard to put on an act. We need to understand that human beings are extremely intelligent, and we look at our 5 senses when talking. So that means that you need to play Gully Boy and go in the comments and say, dude, I don't know how, but we're going to get this done. I'm going to believe you a lot more than if you come up with a long strategy to say, starting tomorrow, we are going to do all of these 50 things. So the important thing is to feel it and believe it yourself. And for that, if that requires journaling, it requires you to talk to someone, it requires to listen to Gully Boy every single day of your life. You do that till you start believing that it is absolutely possible for all of us to get out of these times, because human beings are built to survive. We are built to fight through the hardest times. We are built to thrive, not survive.
Wonderful. Those.
As a human being, hum thrive not for survival, for thriving, which is why we have this prefrontal cortex. We are bound to get out of this bigger and stronger and better than we were yesterday. So that's it.
Thank you very much, Niana. Those were like super brilliant words. And at this point, before we conclude, go into the last, conclusion of the interview. I really want to know how many of you right now on this webinar are wanting to have an access to that tonic list that I was talking about. I'm happy to share that with you. How many of you really want an access to that tonic list? That tonic list is nothing but a playlist of songs, and trust me, those playlists, that playlist, at least for me, I have picked each song that resonates with me. So and it just pumps you up. So every day in the evening after the webinar that we do, I walk 10,000 steps with that on, and then I sit down and then do my research, because I'm so pumped up that I want to say कि सब आंसर मेरे पास ही होना चाहिए दुनिया का, जो भी तुमको तकलीफ है ना मेरे को पूछो, I want to give it all. So I think if you want to have access to that, you need to do two things. Number one, you got to come to that WhatsApp group, because that's the only place I'm going to give it. बाकी सब जगह पे junk मुझे दुनिया भर में नहीं डालना है. So if you really want it, come to that WhatsApp group. Fauziya, can you put a link there? The second thing that I really want you guys to do is download Gaana.com, because Tonic is on Gaana.com. It's not anywhere else. So if I have to give it to you, you have to have Gaana.com. Now you may not have the premium version for it, and which is fine. But download Gaana.com, and I will share the whole playlist link with all of you fine guys there. Now coming back to Niana, we do this with everybody. At least this is what I've learned from the last interview, and Ashwini Kukreja was in the last interview, so he was really nice. We want to
Hardik,
know.
sorry to interrupt you. I think there are a few more questions. You want to just scroll up and catch them?
So Niana, do you have time on you? Because I think we've gone past 1 hour already.
Yep.
Sure. No, that's fine.
So I guess let me do this, Fauziya.
Sure.
I'm sure everybody is going to have a lot of questions, and people would want to talk to Niana. In fact, Niana, I thought I would not do my research and just continue talking so that I get all my mental health questions done. But I don't want to rush that in. What I would really want to ask you is that if people want to talk to you, then do you have a service like that where people can talk to you? So what's that service like? How do you do it?
We do so we do one-on-one sessions with people. So sometimes people have a single question, sometimes people come for longer term, as we call self-discovery. We don't call it therapy, because not everybody may require that. So we do self-discovery to essentially find out the root cause of whatever the stress, anxiety, fear might be. So yeah, we do one-on-ones. We have an Instagram page. We do a lot of effective journaling and those kinds of things that people can come onto our Instagram page, which is Safe Space India. But yeah, if people do want to reach out, then the one-on-one sessions are an option.
Wonderful. So how expensive or reasonable is that?
So each session, we charge about 800 rupees for an hour's session.
Mm-hmm.
Those are our charges.
Now I'm going to get a little more greedy. So so you figured it out. You're a good business lady. So what's the special price for all of us here? And I want like a really, really special price because we are like mighty stressed, like it's just coming out of our heads. So, what's the best price that you could give us?
On that, everybody
Is
could
the video
do
freezing on the wrong
change
time? Looks like.
someone to what we do. Oh no. No, so what we will say is that can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you well. I can hear you. Can everybody hear us? Put a thumbs up just to indicate that you can hear us.
Okay.
Okay. I think we can hear you.
Okay. So we're happy to do it at
Sorry, voice is breaking.
good thing for.
Did
So
I
I
hear?
said that we're happy. Yes.
Ouch, lot of mental stress to us now. Did I hear free?
We said 500, Hardik. But I mean, yeah. So what we do is that we just.
Ouch, just not able to hear you, Niana. Is it possible for you to just let me know, and maybe what I'll do is I'll put it up on the group for everybody else. I think the internet is blessing us with wrong bandwidth, and we just freezing all the time. So guys, I will definitely take the price from Niana and push it in the group for any one of you to take advantage of what you saw today. And I will really encourage you guys to, if you have a need, it's only sensible to go there. It's like when you're in a forest and you don't know the way out, it is only sensible to use your GPS. It is not stupid. What is stupid is when you are in the jungle and you don't know where to get out and you still think that, oh, I'll figure it out some way. Now that's ultra stupidity. So I'm going to push that price point out, and how Niana, how you could reach out to Niana, and so that all of you guys remain, in the best mental health. Take decisions rationally and not by gut. Let the gut do the digestion of the food. Let the bacteria be happy. We have a bigger brain than the bacteria ka brain. So let's have them to do what they are supposed to do, and keep propelling. So thank you very much, Niana. Everything that you mentioned today were absolute words of wisdom, and we absolutely cherished this conversation with you. Thank you, Madhuri, for arranging this. Absolutely love the support every time we ask you for. Thank you, Fawzia. And thank you, everybody who joined this webinar. Tomorrow is yet another session. Do not miss that. Tomorrow, I'm going to be answering about 50 odd questions that have come to me. So see you tomorrow. We will answer those 50 questions, and there is an announcement for day after also. So see you tomorrow. Until then, good night. Sleep tight.
Super. Keep propelling. Thank you. Thank you, Niana. Thank you, Madhu.